Hi everyone, I'm back with another video, and this video is all about DIY. Oh my god, I always get so happy and so excited when I make videos on DIY. DIY is something which I really love. So on today's video what we are going to do is, if you can see this hanging, this hanging was there on my purse. Now I've used enough purse, but still this remains really nice. So I thought, why not to make something from this. So what I've thought is, we can create a hair belt, because I love the color. The color is so nice, and metallic color is already my favorite. So I was like, I don't want to lose this. Making a headband with this will be super easy and super quick. So let's not waste any more time, and let's jump to the process.
So to make a headband, all you need is a hanging, screwdriver, scissor and an elastic rubber band. So let's begin with the first step now. The first step is remove all the extra stuff that you have with the hanging that you have got. Now it totally depends on what kind of purse you have and what kind of hanging you guys get with the purse. The first and the important thing in this step is to create a hole on the edges, so that you can attach the elastic band on your headband. For each and every head size, it will be easier for you guys to attach the headband. So to make a hole, I'm using the screwdriver. You can use any other tool, whichever tool you feel like, and you have to create such two holes on the edges. So the next step is that you have to cut the size of the elastic band. So this elastic band, you can get it from any normal local stationery shop. This is just the elastic roll that I've got, and what I'm doing over here is I'm trying to fix this from both the edges from where we have created the holes, and this is how you have to create a knot, so that it's easier for you guys to wear the headband. And make sure that the knot should be really tight and proper. Try to knot the edges 2 or 3 times, so that it should be tight and fixed for the longer time, and you can wear it for the longer time as well. And guess what? This is the final step. Yeah, so as I said, that this DIY is super quick and super easy. These are only 2 steps that you have to follow to make DIY from your waist hanging of any purse that you have. So don't waste any more time, and definitely try this out. Check out all your purses, see if you have some extra hangings that you really don't like, or if your purse has become really old and you're bored of using it, you can use this as your headband. So you can see how I'm wearing it, and it's so easy, and since it's a sleek one, it gives that nice chic look to my headband. I hope you guys like this video, and if you guys really do, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I hope to see you on my another video. Bye.